how to turn on or turn off keyboard show math results on the iPhone 17 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen and tap on settings. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on general. After that, scroll down, then tap on keyboard, and from here, scroll down and tap on show math results. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And here you can see on my keyboard, if I put in 5 plus 5, it shows the results equal 10. I can tap on the spacebar to accept the answer and then tap on send. So here if I put in 5 multiplied by 5, so multiply by 5, and I've used the equal sign, I will move the answer, 5 equal, and it will show the result prediction, and I can tap on the spacebar to accept. And that's it. Thank you for watching.